guys, market update. So let's start off with Ethereum. 1 hour time frame. I told you that this was an important area and 1 o'clock was important to where it closed and whatnot, and it will be important once we got to 1 o'clock. I said. Then I said after that Ethereum is trying to break through this 3 monthly resistance that you see right here, this and this, represented by a dotted purple line that you'll see right now, this right here, and it's boxed up because pretty much letting me know, hey, this area is going to be hard to pass and this is your last resistance. So when I go into the smallest time frame, and I even mark them as 3 monthly, number 13, number 12, and so on as the market goes up and down. I also said that it's very important where we close this 1 hour candle. The fact that it shot up and it was holding this whole time, and then it's important to close this 1 hour candle because this last 4 candle, how it will play out, will be very important because it will be the final of a 12-hour candle. So if this 1 hour candle would have rejected and came down and broke below it, then it would have been a hard time. It would have been a fake out, and again the market would have started then breaking on down. You would have seen Bitcoin going on down as it started going down low, and XRP and so on, especially as it proceeded and so on. So the fact that it was holding here and it played out there, it closed there at 9 a.m. Then now we need to hold this to then form this, and then from here we're either gonna finally shoot above this because these are the two right here. This is a 3 monthly trend line that we're also breaking right here that you see breaking, and that's what we're breaking right now. So we're breaking these two right here, which is this dotted line, and this is like you could look at the resistance shield or area or whatnot. That's why I have it highlighted. It's a bunch of dailies, meaning actual daily candles where we closed in the past here. For example, we closed a day here, and somewhere in the past over here. I'm guessing to here. So I know that these areas, when the market comes up to these prices, it's gonna be a hard area to pass. So let me now go back to what it was. Let me go back to the day, to the 1 hour candle. So anyways, what we'll want is, because the EMA indicator was telling me, hey, this is your buying zone. It's telling me down here in the region. Anyways, getting sidetracked. So either we gotta hold here by 1 o'clock. So then from 1 to 5, we're gonna try again to smash through this and close here at 5. And then with this, you should see now Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin and XRP followed right behind it. If we keep getting rejected, let's say we close here at 1, and then it keeps getting stuck in this region, maybe we peak by 3 o'clock where it's down here, the market is most likely going to drop, and we're going to close here at 5. And then again, it's going to be a hole. You should then see Bitcoin and XRP go back down and start going down below. Now we proceed at 5 closing here and then break on down, you would then actually start seeing Bitcoin, XRP break those support levels that they were holding right now. But with this bullishness that we're having, now you should see XRP and Bitcoin rallying on up, and that's what you're seeing. These are the 50% of each Fibonacci. So let me clear it up for you. So we have, let me see so we got 1 hour candle, 50 Fibonacci, we got 8 hour candle, 4 hour candle, and 12 hour candle, 50 Fibonacci. So you go to your 4 hour candle, it should be here, that's where it is right there. And then you have your 8, which is down here, 50 Fibonacci, and you have your 12, 50 Fibonacci. So since I have too much mass and I can't see it, I end up making those circles. So what it needs to do is, it needs to, 1 o'clock, we need either we need to end up breaking this and closing here at 1, or close a little bit higher, or where we are. That way from 1 to 5, it's gonna finally break this right here, and we should be here by 5 o'clock, at least right here by 5 o'clock. And as the market then starts getting close to closing, but at the same time the real market to open, you're gonna see a lot of activity. You should see more by 11 o'clock. No, by 9 o'clock you should see more activity being up here, and as we get closer to 3 o'clock, way more action breaking up here. Otherwise, if we getting stuck, let's say we at least get here by 9 o'clock, if we then start breaking down here and we're here by 1 and so on, then that means some bad news with the market. Would it be tariffs or something Trump tweeted? But if we keep this positive towards, especially towards your 1 o'clock and so on, and we break right here by 5, then that means by 3 up here, or somewhere up here by 3, then that means the market's gonna open happy. And again, I like to break down my sections, or break down the market into sections. So I'll get rid of all this junk right now, but let me adjust it real quick. And then we'll go with XRP. And you can see XRP going for it. And it's very important because the 1 hour candle, so the fact that XRP is actually going for the move and wanting to close this forward candle above this, closing it here, at least here, is very bullish. You have your trend line right here. And it's a forward candle, so it's gonna be red. Now when you go to the small time frame, see this, and then what else? Let me see. Link, Litecoin, very bullish. Very bullish. You can see, I don't know, now they're trying to pass a 3 monthly resistance. Oh yeah, Cardano's about to fucking explode. Cardano's about to explode, everybody. Just letting you know. This baby's about to explode. Pep is gonna go for it. Anyways, yeah, if Ethereum keeps up with playing how I think it's gonna play, if you want that rally, that push, it should be playing how I told you guys earlier in the video. If not, it's gonna be it's just another way again to maintain the market while the real market is closed. It's a way for the market to pass time, pretty much. That's what Bitcoin does at the end of the week too. It'll consolidate, buy time by going up and down a certain region, and then once the market open, it'll react to whatever the market is happening. The market, if the market had a bomb or some important shit, then you'll feel it. Tariffs, will feel it, but besides that, it should just be reacting to whatever the market is, however the market is feeling once it is, especially once it gets closer to opening time. And make sure that these Fibonacci's are on point. 50 Fibonacci right here. Your forward candle up here now. 3, 2. So it's gonna be a really concentrated area. Forward candle, I'm pretty sure it's somewhere down here. Yeah, right there. Weekly, you have to make sure it's still in the same area. Yeah, so this baby is about to fucking explode too. Pepe, this is the 50 Fibonacci, you guys. We haven't been able to pass it since April of 25. And you see where Ethereum's at, you see what everything's at. This shit's about to explode too. Yup, it's gearing up. And that's if tomorrow we don't get any bad tweets from Trump. But besides that, you guys get ready for another fucking push on up.